Dem say the plan where Israel take attack Iran na failure, but President Donald Trump no gree dat one. And families of Gaza captives sef don dey beg President Donald Trump make e come do their own for dem as Iran ceasefire don hold so that their people go come back home from Gaza. Dat na some of the tori for today. Na PidginToriGlobal be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am for here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter the gist for today. Donald Trump don talk say US bombings totally scatter Iran nuclear site, even though one leaked US intelligence report from Pentagon dey suggest say the strike just delay Iran plans small by just a few months. The report from Defense Intelligence Agency (DIA) no dey support Trump claim, but Trump still dey maintain say Iran nuclear power don finish. In Middle East envoy Steve Witkoff vex say the person wey leak that report commit treason. Whereas the ceasefire between Israel and Iran still dey hold, both countries don confirm say dem dey observe the agreement. But war for Gaza and Ukraine still dey continue. Two big conflicts where Trump bin promise say e go end when e enter office. One political analyst, Ori Goldberg, don ask say wetin Israel really gain after dem bomb Iran. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu tok say the plan na to scatter Iran nuclear program and push for regime change. But according to Goldberg, both plans fall flat. The nuclear program no really shake, and instead of regime change, many Iranians, even those wey no like the government or the IRGC, begin support them after the attack. He tok say the whole country feel say na Iran as a whole Israel attack, no be just the leaders. Iran don execute 3 of their citizens wey dem accuse say be spy for Israel intelligence agency Mossad, according to online media wey dey linked to Iran judiciary. Dem execute the 3 men early Wednesday morning for Umia prison wey dey northeast near Turkey border. Dem tok say the suspects carry assassination equipment enter Iran, disguise am as shipment of alcoholic drink. Iran no tok when dem arrest the men, but say dem kill dem based on charge of waging war against God and spreading corruption for earth through work with Israel. Dis one make am at least 6 people wey Iran don execute for spy matter since Israel start military move against Iran on June 13. Iran security and intelligence people don arrest more than 700 suspects wey dem believe say dey work with Israel spy network. According to local tori from local medias, the arrest happened during the 12-day war between Israel and Iran. Dem say the fight involved serious intelligence work from Israel, including the killing of top Iranian military officials and nuclear scientists. But human rights group don dey call out Iran before for this kind mass arrest, say dem no dey follow due process. National Security Minister for Israel Itamar Ben-Gvir don blast after Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu announce ceasefire with Iran. For interview wey e do with Israel news media on Wednesday, Ben-Gvir tok say Israel don succeed for Iran and now dem suppose open the gate of help for their enemy. According to am, Israel need use dis win show say dem be oga for Middle East. Ben-Gvir, wey countries like UK, Australia, New Zealand and Norway don sanction for always dey push violence against Palestinian civilians, still dey among the cabinet members wey strong head pass for pushing regime change for Iran. Reports don talk say Israel military dey run low on some important weapons after their 12-day fight with Iran. 3 US officials wey dem quote tok say na especially munitions, bullets and explosives dey short for now. Dis one dey happen as the ceasefire wey US President Donald Trump help broker still dey hold small. Israel never talk anything officially about the report, but everybody knows say America dey give Israel billions of dollars worth of military support every year. US even help dem shoot down plenty missiles wey Iran fire after Israel first launch attack on June 13. As the Israel and Iran ceasefire still dey hold, some Israeli families wey their people still dey inside Gaza don dey beg US President Donald Trump make e help dem bring their loved ones back. For one online petition, dem tok say dem dey live with fear every day as their children, papa, mama, brothers and sisters still dey trapped for Gaza. Dem beg Trump make e no forget dem and make e put pressure to free the hostages sharp. Dem say talk wey suppose help secure release of di hostages don scatter, and now Israel say na military actions remain. But dat one don lead to more Palestinian deaths and heavy suffering inside Gaza, where many pipo no dey get food and bombs still dey fall. Hospital sources from Al-Alda and Al-Aqsa Matters don confirm say 9 Palestinians don die and others injure as dem dey queue for relief near Netzarim Junction for central Gaza. Dis one na part of di regular killings wey dey happen for aid points wey di Israel and US-supported Gaza Humanitarian Foundation set up. UNRWA boss don call di aid setup death trap as e don dey lead to daily bloodshed instead of helping people. For one major political surprise, former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo don concede defeat give 33-year-old Zoran Mamdani for di Democratic mayoral primary. Cuomo bin dey try come back into politics after e resign for 2021 over sexual harassment wahala. But Mamdani, wey be Muslim, Indian American and Democratic Socialist, take serious lead for the race. If e win November general election, Mamdani go be the first Muslim and Indian American to lead New York. Even though counting never complete due to ranked choice voting, Cuomo still tok say dis night na Zoran night. Di contest na serious test for Democrats as Donald Trump Republicans don collect White House and Congress last November. Mamdani, wey be son of immigrants from Uganda, run campaign wey touch issues like hunger, poverty, rent freeze, free buses and public groceries wey dem go use rich people tax take fund. Political analysts tok say na biggest upset for modern New York City politics. Heavy heat don show face for North America and e don already put dozens of people for hospital. For Paterson, New Jersey, over 150 people collapsed for one school graduation on Monday. Mayor Andy Saye don declare heat emergency, cancel all outside play and open cool centers for people. For Washington, D.C., 6 people land hospital during South Korean band Stray Kids concert. Same heat caused at least 41 people for North Carolina, including Pidgin, to enter hospital. The heat wave dey affect more than 160 million people from US Midwest go reach East Coast, even touch Canada side, Ontario, Quebec and Nova Scotia. Weather experts dey warn say the hot plus humidity fit cause serious health wahala. Worst part be say night no even dey bring relief. Some cities go still dey reach 27 degrees Celsius even after day dark. Forecasters talk say places like Mid-Atlantic and Eastern Ohio Valley will see worst heat by Thursday and Friday, with back-to-back hot days wey fit cause more sickness. For New York, temperature fit reach 101 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe 38 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Same with record wey set since 1966. Health officials dey beg people make dem stay indoors during hottest time, drink plenty water and check on old people and those wey get health problem. And the last one for today, since South Korea passed law to ban dog meat for 2024, dog farmers like Reverend Ju Yunbong don dey stranded. The law go fully kick in by February 2027, but plenty people no sabi how dem go take survive till then. Reverend Ju, wey still dey breed dogs for meat, talk say since last year nobody wan buy again. Even traders dey fear to show face. E say dem don enter debt and some of the farmers no fit find new work. About 500,000 dogs still dey inside farms across the country and nobody gree collect them. Even the animal rights people and government wey fight to ban the meat trade no get clear plan for the dogs. One farmer wey im name na Shinwon, dey hide the name for security, get 600 dogs wey e must clear before 18 months or e go face up to 2 years for prison. But e talk say e no possible because traders no dey buy and authorities no gree collect. The farmers dey complain say government just pass law without proper plan and now everybody don dey stuck. Dogs still dey farm, no buyer, no help, no compensation. E hard for them to chop sef. As e be like this, plenty dog farmers for South Korea don dey stranded with dogs wey dem no fit sell and future wey look very dark. Na the tori be that for today and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.